Hi, welcome to Ask Bikeman. Many of you have asked me, Jerry, how do you align a wheel? So we're going to show that to you today. So before you align a wheel, you have to remove tire, tube, reflector, bolts. All you have is the wheel itself. Now a wheel is very simple. It consists of a hub and the spokes and a rim. The spokes pull or push on the rim so it's centered. Now in this case, let's check this out. Nice little wobble. It's okay, we'll fix that. Alright, now we put the wheel inside the stand. We make sure it's centered. Centered here, so it's centered here. You find a good spot in the wheel, one that's still straight, and you center it with your shims. You need a spoke wrench. They sell them in different sizes. Buy one like this where you have many sizes on it so you don't have to look for them. Okay, so here's the basic principle. When you go clockwise, this will eventually unscrew the nipple, which will push the rim. Okay, so what we want to do is start with small steps. So we find where it rubs on this thing here, and so we find that this nipple has to be turned so that it pulls on the rim that way. We just start a bit and we go next door. Oh, that one's slack. This one's a bit tight, so we slacken that one so it pushes this way. So we're almost done here, just tightening up one nipple at a time. So as you're going along, you're going to start first with like 2 turns of your key, up for 1, half, quarter, down you go, even less. So that's basically it. So this wheel is straight, but it's got a nasty flat spot in it. So I'll have to replace the rim anyways. This is an old girl that works pretty good, but you can get a nice modern one for like around 130 bucks. These are like 10 bucks. You can get it at your local bike shop. So, from my noisy studio, this is Jerry, the bike man, saying till next time, Godspeed.